Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to roll out a couple trades because the value of the options has dropped quite a bit due to Theta decay, and this would be my two hood calls that I have. I've got one at 132 and one at 135, and it's time to roll these out. So looking at the market over the past week or so, it's been on a downtrend due to the AI bubble starting to deflate a little bit, but we did have some good news. The CPI data report came in very favorably, which shot the market up today. Let's go look at the CPI data. It's at 2.6 and it was expected to be 3%, so that's good. And the market as a whole has gone up accordingly. So my individual account has gone up to 182, and it's hovering around at a higher level. So I got these two hood calls. You can see this one's 12 cents, the other one's worth 5 cents. So most of the value has decayed out of those, and it's Thursday. Instead of waiting till Friday, I might as well roll these out, get an extra day to have and collect more premium. Looking at hood on Legend, you can see it was hovering around 118 today, and pre-market with the good news, it had shot way up to like 122, and then at the market open it shot up as high as 124.25, and it's gone down a bit, but it's hovering and it's going back up to around 120, 121, 122 or so. My cost for acquiring these shares is an average of 132. You can see I could buy this back for $14. So I'll select roll, and let's go out to July 16th, which is the third Friday of the month. That's when a lot of options expire. And if I went up to, say, 135, I could collect $3.75 in credit. So I could buy these back for 12 cents and collect $3.75. The delta is 31, so that's like a 31% chance. If I went up to 140, I could collect more premium on the appreciation and collect $2.65. So less premium, but more on the appreciation. So if I collected, if the stock went up to 140, subtracting my cost of 132, that's 8 times 100. That would be an extra $800 that I would make an appreciation on top of the premium of 267. The delta here is 23, so there's a 23% chance that the price would go above 140 and the shares be called away. And I'd be totally okay with that because I collected the premium and that appreciation. So I'm going to review this order and we'll see if we get filled. And I did get filled. So I'll put that in my sheet. I'm going to copy from another line, put that in here, put the date of 12/18, and the expiration date is, what did I say, 1/16. So 1/16, 29 days out, 100 shares or one contract. Current price is 122.68, and my strike price is 140. The delta is 0.23. Applied volatility 58.64 roughly. Let's go look at the roll. So I bought these back for 14 cents is what I got filled at, or $14 if it's 100 shares. So I'll put that in my sheet. Minus 14 is the cost. Collected 266, so ended up with 252. That puts my monthly total account up to 21.23.13. And let's go look at this other one. That's hood at 135. I could buy this back for $6 or $6.02. I collected 162 originally for this. So go ahead and roll. We'll do the same date. And I might want to hold these shares or have a more likelihood to hold these shares. I think I might go up to like 145. I could collect less premium of 184, but there's less of a chance that this would happen because it has to go $5 higher. So the delta is a 17 there. So if I collected 145 minus my cost of 132, that's 13. I could make $1,300 in appreciation if the price at expiration went above 145, plus I'd collect the premium of 181. And if the price stays below, I'll hold the shares and I still get to keep that premium. So let's go ahead and roll this out, review and send. Taking a little longer for this one to fill, but I did get a fill. It cost me $8 to buy this back, so I'll put that in my sheet. Collected 184, so I ended up with 176 as the result, and that puts my account up to $22.99, almost $2,300 for the month so far. Monthly premium plus dividends plus interest. Got to remember to mark these as rolled, and I usually put a note in here about when I rolled it too, so I could find where I rolled this out to 116. The other one I got to mark as rolled, but I think that was in November, so let's go back there. 135 November, we'll say rolled and put a note in there also when we rolled it out to 116. It's always good to use a spreadsheet and track your trades. I'm also going to put these in my Discord so that everyone in my Discord can know about these. I've got a free Discord, so if you wanted to join, you could get access to the spreadsheet for free. The Discord is free, and also I've got a options beginner course that'll teach you everything you want to know about options. So if the stuff I'm talking about here sounds is confusing to you, take this course and it'll teach you anything you need to know about selling options for extra income. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description below for this Discord if you want to join, and you can trade with like-minded traders like myself and see all my trades, get a free course, get my spreadsheet. That's how I'm rolling these this week, and we'll see you on the next one.